Hi guys, welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Trust Wallet not showing balance in your iPhone. So guys, if you have this type of problem when you open your Trust Wallet and facing the issue that your main balance is zero, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to open your settings first, and guys you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after doing this you need to go back, and guys you need to click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys here you need to find your Trust Wallet. So guys, simply you need to find here, search here Trust, and guys after this you need to open it and click on offload app and click on offload, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys you need to open your app store, and guys here you need to search your Trust Wallet as you can see here. So guys after this you need to update your Trust Wallet if you have any kind of update, then guys you need to go back. After doing this you need to open your settings again, click on general, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected. So guys, if connected then you need to disconnect it, and after doing this you need to go back, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset network settings, and guys after doing all the things your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.